Well, hi everyone, it's Val with Val's Creation Studio. How's everyone doing today? We are going to flip through this little Christmas album I have made, and we will do a tutorial on how to make the one using this seam binding, this different spinal binding, which says Hello Winter in there, has a shaky thing on there, and it opens really well. It stays open really well when you're opening it. You have a pocket here. You have two double belly bands here to put pictures, and you have a photo mat at the end of each page. So we'll just flip through this really quick. Photo here, again a photo mat. See how it just flips open really well? Photo here, you can put a little photo here, and then you have all these little, another photo mat. Photo mat. Not pretty colored, not pretty paper. And these are the wood pieces, wood embellishments. You can put a photo up back there. Photo here. It's a cute way to display your family photos for the Christmas season. Photo here, photo there. And they each have a photo mat with different colors, different tabs. Photos here, photo, and they use the wood embellishments. And then you make cold days warmer. Now this is a cute 6x6. Yes, this is a 6x6. So you can use any 6x6 paper pack and make a cute, adorable little album with a snow globe shaker. And I have this pattern. So with that being said, we're going to make an 8 by 5.5. Let's zoom out a little bit. An 8 by 5.5 using the Farmhouse Christmas. And isn't that cute? You have little tags here that you can use. Look at all these little tags. Isn't that cute? You can either cut those out, use the whole page, and here's some big, looks like 6x4s. That pretty Christmas paper. Look at the poinsettias. White ones. This is a cute collection. Very, very cute collection. The snowflakes. The wreaths. I like the black check gingham. Large gingham. Look at the, isn't that cute? Here's some more on the wood. And this has Have yourself a merry little Christmas. The barn and the tractor. It's not what's under the tree that matters, it's who gathers around it. Look at this one with all the little Christmas trees. In the silver buckets, joy, Merry Christmas. And that's the back of that one. Nice Christmas plaids. Isn't that neat? Fa la la. North Pole, comfort, joy. Comfort and joy, peace, joy, love, Merry Christmas. North Pole, Santa's North Pole. Freight and delivery. And then look at the holly berries, the holly leaves. And then that one. Isn't that neat? So, we are going to make a little bit larger one than the 6x6. We are going to make a 5.5 by 8. Here's the two covers. And this is your binding system. So I will be right back.